I'm going in the boat. I'm gonna turn the battery switch on. Come over here. Give myself a little jump. And for some reason, the starter just goes and keeps running. Okay, so we got a little bit done today. So here's the AC panel. This is going to be switched out. Just have it in here temporarily. Out of here, I had a wire coming out of those holes in the bottom. Against that bulkhead right there, we had the transfer panel for the generator that was once in the boat. But this boat's not going to have a generator. Everything's going to be built off of DC. So it's going to be a battery bank running the air conditioning and running a small inverter. I have a little unit, little AC that I'm putting out. That way it'll help a little bit with the outside temperatures. And got around to switching the two main positive battery cables. So the only old one left right here connected to the batteries is the negative right here. That's off of the port side engine. So starboard side engine's good to go, but I actually have it completely disconnected because she's coming out tomorrow. And yeah, left the battery charger running. Right now it's just connected right here through the exterior, and I'm going to replace the wiring to the old battery charger, give it its own dedicated breaker, which it doesn't have right now, and connect it directly through the boat. I think for now that's it. The only other thing that we put in was this was a flagpole holder, or that I put in was a flagpole holder, and I mean, I guess not huge steps, but every little bit counts. Oh.
Ha cogido la transmisión.
No, the transit. Hold on. Because the problem is, as soon as I get this thing free, it's gonna jump. Ay, ay, ay. Hang on one second. ¿Cómo lo hacemos ahí?
No sé, tienes que mirar.
Hold on. Let's put, because I'm stuck on the tranny right now. I'm stuck on the tranny. Let's go down really quick. Uy. Hold on. Hi. Clear? Yeah.
Está botando aceite como loco.
Alright, so I got the engine out. I'm actually gonna go down and help. Okay, so we got the old Fords out of the boat. Starboard we did last week, and now we have port side out. So we're gonna clean up over here. Still got the 10-pin connectors, same connections I'm gonna be using on the new engine, so it should be pretty simple swap over. Now we have a nice open space to work with. I'm just gonna have to clean some of this up. So looking here at the Bertram 28 project, we're gonna go over. There's been a few changes since the last time I did any filming on the boat. So I'm just gonna go over a few of the things that have changed in the engine room. We fixed the engine beds. We fully glassed them in, as well as the inner beds. Now we're going to sand everything down and prep for a little bit more paint. We painted the inside, so took all the electrical cables down to make sure that we didn't get any paint on any of that. Now we have it back up so we can start painting in this area here.
Gonna make a brand